Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to change theme on Zoho CRM. Zoho CRM is a cloud-based computer relationship management platform developed by the Zoho Corporation, and it helps businesses manage sales, customer data, leads, contact, communication in one place to make the interface more comfortable and visually appealing. Zoho CRM allows users to customize the theme and appearance, and changing the theme can adjust the color style or switch between the light and dark mode, making it easier to work for the long hours or match your personal. So over here, open any of the web browser that you prefer. In the top bar, type down zoho.com and enter it. And once you get into this interface of your zoho.com, on the right hand side we can find this featured app. Select to the CRM under here and scroll a bit down and select to this access Zoho CRM. And once you get the access to the Zoho CRM, in the top right corner we can find on this profile icon. Select to this profile icon here, and under this profile icon we can find this mode for the day, night or the auto. You can also select to the theme that you want to preferably put under your themes. As I'm going to select to this night here, and it will automatically set up to the dark mode. And that is it. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down and we will reach out to you very soon.